Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese Danish. Start by activating your yeast in warm milk with a touch of sugar. This creates the perfect foundation for our delicious Danish dough. Next, incorporate 2 large eggs, a half cup of melted butter, and a half teaspoon of salt, ensuring a rich flavor. Gradually mix in 3 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, kneading until the dough is wonderfully smooth and elastic. Allow it to rise for about 1 hour, watching it double in size, ready for the next step. Now, let's create that irresistible creamy cheese filling. Take 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and whip it with a half cup of granulated sugar until it's wonderfully light and airy. Then, gently fold in 1 large egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue beating until the mixture is perfectly smooth and uniform. This rich, sweet filling is the heart of our cheese Danish, promising a delightful burst of flavor. With your dough ready and filling prepared, it's time for assembly. Roll out your risen dough into a large rectangle, aiming for about 1/4 inch thickness. Carefully cut the dough into 12 equal squares, each measuring approximately 4 inches by 4 inches. Now, spoon a generous amount of that creamy cheese filling right into the center of each square. Finally, fold the corners of the dough over the filling, gently pressing to seal and create a beautiful pastry shape. The final step is baking these beauties to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your assembled Danishes on a baking sheet and bake them for about 15 to 18 minutes, or until they achieve a lovely golden brown color. While they are still warm, prepare a simple glaze by whisking 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of milk. Drizzle this sweet glaze over each Danish for an irresistible, shiny finish. Enjoy your homemade cheese Danish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.